Jamie's Escapades. I'm Jamie. I love to travel, play, learn, and have fun. Today, let's explore Bohol. We flew with PAL to Bohol and we just presented our valid IDs, printed boarding passes, and vaccination cards. I had a great time flying with PAL. We were given yummy snacks and they gave me and my brother our special request of orange juice for free. We were picked up by Bohol Beach Club at the airport for free and brought to the hotel. The resort is near the airport and the check-in was fast. Here is our double sharing deluxe green room at Bohol Beach Club. It has one double bed and one queen bed. We have a big TV, closet, mini ref, and vault. Let's explore Bohol. The next day, we had buffet breakfast first before we went on our tour. The restaurant is beside the beach and they had a lot of options for breakfast. I like their tocino, longanisa, and corn. After breakfast, our tour guide picked us up in the lobby and took us to our countryside tour. First, let's ride an ATV. We went ATV riding first near Chocolate Hills. We chose 2 buggies so my mom and dad can drive and me and my little brother can ride beside them. I felt excited and nervous at first. It was a fun experience because it was fast and you can see the Chocolate Hills. We were wearing raincoats so our clothes were safe from the mud. Next, let's go to the Chocolate Hills. I was fascinated and amazed when I first saw all the Chocolate Hills. Be prepared to walk a lot because there are 200 steps to go up the Chocolate Hills viewpoint. It was really beautiful at the top, but I was also scared at the same time. You can get really good photos at the top of the viewpoint. The tickets cost 100 pesos each for adults and 50 pesos each for kids. Next, let's see some tarsiers. We went to the Tarsier conservation area. The tickets cost 100 each for adults and my little brother who is 4 got in for free. They have a really nice I love Bohol sign here. The place is big and they have several tarsiers. The tarsiers are very small and very cute. My brother calls them small owls. The tarsiers are protected and you can't get too close to them, which is good. It's time to eat at the floating restaurant. Our tour guide recommended the Rio Verde floating restaurant to us and we really liked it. They served Filipino food in their buffet and I really liked their pancit and liempo. My dad liked their barbecue and fried chicken too. We liked the experience of having a meal while cruising on a river. We saw an Ate tribe village too. Next, we went back to Bohol Beach Club for some pool time. They have a big pool and a kiddie pool. My brother and I had fun swimming there and it lights up at night. We ate at Guiseppe Pizzeria and Sicilian Roast. We got calamari, focaccia bread, tartufo pasta, fried chicken, and pizza Gregorio. My favorites are the pasta and pizza. Let's go island hopping. Next day, we went island hopping. We woke up very early because the island hopping started at 6:30 a.m. I was scared at first because it was my first time on the boat. I got used to waves after a while. We saw a lot of boats there were looking for dolphins. We were lucky because our tour guide found dolphins on our way to Balikasag Island. After that, we went to a sandbar called Virgin Island. We went there early so there won't be a lot of people there yet. It was cool to see a sandbar. Now let's go eat at the Buzz. After island hopping, we went to Alona Beach to eat at the Buzz Cafe. The Buzz Cafe had really yummy food. I ate garlic bread rice and kitty chicken or chicken tenders. My mom and dad had spare ribs and grilled squid. We also ordered chocolate, avocado, and durian ice cream. It was all yummy. The following day, we ate first at Smile Restaurant near Alona Beach before our flight. We ordered a pork cutlet with cheese, tonkotsu noodles, curry rice, and fried chicken. The fried chicken was a lot. The restaurant was new and it was yummy there. I love Bohol! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment Bohol if you watched the video until the end. Bye!